Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the trusted healthcare app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trusted Health is a healthcare staffing platform designed to help nurses and allied health professionals find travel and staff jobs more easily. Instead of traditional recruiters, Trusted Health uses a digital, transparent system that lets users browse jobs, compare pay packages, and manage their assignments directly through the app. It's available on both iOS and Android and is widely used by travel nurses across the US. The app's main feature is its job matching interface. You can explore travel nursing roles, see detailed pay breakdowns, view facility information, and apply instantly without recruiter pressure. It also includes tools like license tracking, document uploads, assignment management, and automated job suggestions based on your profile. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its transparency, especially the clear pay packages, easy job filtering, and the ability to apply without constant recruiter calls. The platform is praised for saving time, reducing stress, and offering a smoother experience compared to traditional staffing agencies. Users also like the personalized job matches and simple onboarding process. However, there are some drawbacks. Job availability may vary depending on your specialty and location, and some users report that certain hospitals still take time to respond or update listings. Others mention occasional app slowdowns and limitations in custom search filters. Although the platform is recruiter-free, some users still prefer having a dedicated person guide them through contracts and negotiations. In summary, the Trusted Health app may be worth using if you want transparent job listings, recruiter-free applications, and an easy way to manage travel assignments. However, if you prefer personalized recruiter support or if jobs in your specialty are limited in your region, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.